Greetings, fellow citizens. How are we all? I'm at Mount Macedon. It's a beautiful day. Absolutely gorgeous here. It's about 6 or 7 degrees. It's just so beautiful. Oh my god, check this out. How beautiful, guys. Look at this. Oh, here's the thing. This is actually a form of detoxing because the air is different where the trees are, you know? It's different. And it's fresh. It's clean. So we're about, an hour away from the city here in Melbourne. But the air here, it's different. Anyway, guys, hope you're well. Chat to you all soon.